The first National Changemaker Meet 2025 was held in Gujarat, bringing together innovators and leaders from across the country. The first National Changemakers Meet 2025 was successfully held from 4th to 7th September at Banas Dairy, Gujarat, with the support of the India Foundation. The landmark event brought together visionaries, social innovators, grassroots leaders, and young changemakers from across India. The meet served as a platform for dialogue, collaboration, and collective action on crucial issues such as environment, education, entrepreneurship, social justice, and community empowerment. The program featured enriching sessions, panel discussions, and networking opportunities where participants shared success stories and innovative models for change that transformed local communities and inspired wider movements. A major highlight was the recognition of change makers from 27 states across India. Representing Tripura, Dr. Sunil Kalai, founder and president of Mondra, received special appreciation for his entrepreneurial work in agriculture and integrated farming. His hybrid model of practice and documentation, which combines hands-on farming innovation with academic research, was acknowledged as a replicable model for sustainable development. The meet also emphasized the role of youth and grassroots initiatives while calling for collaboration across government, academia, civil society, and business. Participants also praised Jigar Sir and his team for their vision and leadership and extended gratitude to Banas Dairy for their warm hospitality. The meet concluded with a collective commitment to strengthen network of action, promote innovation, and nurture change makers across India. Your report, News Now.